And
This unicorn. Because my phone case is unicorn. Oh, duh.
oh, okay.
Okay. Today we're gonna do the challenge, jigsaw puzzle challenge. So we only have pencil.
Oh.
Pencil kat situ lah. Pencil hitam. Kat pencil box saya lah.
Okay.
But sorry about that. Her brother just said he want a pencil. So this one, jigsaw puzzle, we only have this picture, you see? Only this picture. You also only have this picture. Okay, let's open the. Make sure not to mix up the jigsaw puzzle. Okay, done. Okay, we have this.
So we want to do a challenge.
Challenge who
first?
yeah,
With the
who
jigsaw.
puzzle. Okay, put.
Puzzle jigsaw.
You need to show all the pictures. No white ones. And this. Oh, need to show all the. Okay, I'm done.
No, I'm not done.
You can. It's not even more space.
So yeah, there's no space. There's more space.
See? Okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Need to do like this. I forgot. So I can see the pictures. Wait. I don't know. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
This one? No! You already know how to do it. That's why you
No, not this one. This one, right? Because you need to follow color. Wait, what?
Haha.
Oh no, she's winning. This one. No!
Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. I'm broke. My one is broke. Wait. Huh? Wait. My one is broke.
Wait, our one is no space. Can you move a little?
Wait.
Okay, now. Okay. No.
Can you wait for me?
It's a challenge. We cannot wait.
Okay.
Oh my god, you scared me, you little freak. I mean, you little, my bestie.
Best.
Can you best my best friend? I'm almost finished.
Ay. But I don't know how.
Wait, what? Oh, this one, okay.
Hana, wait.
It's a challenge, cannot wait, remember? It's a challenge.
No!
Is it this? Oh, yeah. I have no space to do this, but I still have space. No.
No!
Scared me again, you little freak!
Oh my gosh. Call me.
Rick! Okay, done! Finish!
No!
I win! Oh, yeah. I'm the fastest. Look at mine.
Because I don't know where is it.
Look at mine. You see that? Look at
Wait,
my
wait.
puzzle.
Give me a second.
My
So
puzzle is
Zara-
already done.
Yeah.
So she lose. I win.
Okay, let's do one more time, okay?
Okay. Loser. And her one is not finished.
Yes, I'm finished.
No. Yes. No, you're not finished because I win this now. See? Her one is like the same. Okay. Round 2. Let's go. What? Let's go. Bang.
Cheating is eating.
Cheating. She's like gonna cheat, but I said no cheating because I didn't cheat on the game. Okay? Listen to me, Damia. Now guess my pen. You want to open the pen?
That is so.
Because I want it to hit me also. Oh, freedom. Now we okay. Let's start. Wait.
One.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, 1,
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Wait. What?
Wait.
I can't wait.
WKFC. WKFC. Jisoo, zero lah.
No, not this one. Here. Oh no, you're winning.
No, I'm not.
Are you sure? Looks like you're winning.
No.
Okay.
I'm not winning. Wait.
I'm losing. Yeah, losing. I'm almost done. Oh, I mean a little bit. A little bit. Almost done.
Oh.
Come on. No. Okay. Finish!
Wait.
What?
Wait, I get it. I do.
Oh my god! The pink screen is everywhere. Oh, you're breaking mine. How
Okay.
dare you?
Round 3.
Wait. Here's the reveal. I win this round again. She loses this round again. I got 2 points. She got 0 points. Look at me. Look at me in your eye. There's somebody in you. That's somebody in YouTube land. YouTube land.
Don't die.
Okay. Round 3. 2, 3. Mula. Okay.
Mula
pasang. This is
Round
3.
One.
Iman is the judge. Cakap hi.
Okay. Hi.
Okay.
1,
Wait.
2, 3.
Baik. Kalau sampai
Wait,
one,
Hana.
kira pun menang.
What's
I cannot wait.
what's going on? Just now.
I don't know. Pak, cari yang betul. Kalau siapa betul, kali kira pun menang.
Ah!
Why? Don't do that to me.
Ah!
You little freak.
That's
Siapa
what
yang
you-
sampai ni akan dikira pemenang. Saya nak menang. She's
I know riddle. What is freak?
Hana, what is freak? Freak is like a stranger, like a freak, like a
Siapa
weirdo.
yang pemenang
A weird, a weird person. Tinggal lagi 10 saat je.
No.
Waktunya. Siapa? Pak, siapa pun yang menang
Wait,
akan
what?
dikira pemenang. Yay.
Are you cheat?
No, I didn't cheat. Dan, yay, dia pertama. Kita main satu lagi permainan. Main tulis robotik. Nah, I win. Lepas,
I don't like this game. I want to go out.
Okay, I will give you 1 point.
No, man.
Okay, 3 points. I mean 2, 3. Please don't give up. Iman kasih kakak. Saya will find stuff. Tak, saya kasih awak. Saya kasih kakak saya 200 bintang.
Wow.
Tak. Yang ni saya pernah 3 kali. Okay, that's all for today.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Ow. Bye. Bye, unicorns. Oh, you scared me. Bye.